for my album called and it's yes, it's still out on the market.
Ito yung from the movie ni Sharon, ba?
Yeah.
At ni Ariel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano ba yun? Mga 2 years ago.
Okay, gusto ko lang yun. Kami din. Anyway, alam mo rin din. Ayun. Hindi, itong album mo rin. Itong album mo, mga kaibigan, hindi lang double platinum. Triple platinum na itong drone. Alam niyo kung ilang tao na ang bumili nito? 80,000 na tao na ang bumili. Hindi pa bumili lang yung mga hindi taong bumili, ha? Yung mga tao lang na bumili, hindi pa. 80,000. Triple platinum is congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
To give you the award and to tell you more about it, ay kasama natin ang label manager ng Viva Records, boss ko rin yan, kaibigan si Pat Castillo.
Hi, good afternoon. Congratulations. Thank you. Salamat po yan, ha? Thank you po sa akin.
Dili lang yung hindi tao.
Anyway, I just want to thank all of your fans, all of the radio stations, all of the TV shows that have helped me promote your album, John. And I hope that you will still promote for the second single, no, and I hope that your fans will continue supporting you all the way. Para maging ng thank you. Ano pang phone? Yes. First of all, I would like to thank Viva family, of course, Pat Castillo, Boss Vic, and everybody from Viva Friends and Viva Records. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Especially yung mga taga-Adrom. Sila mo talaga yung nagagawa ng lahat ninyo. Thank you to Juliet. Thank you to Bambi. Thank you so very much for helping me out for promote this album. And I'd like to thank, of course, everybody who bought the album. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Dahil po sa inyo, kaya ako po natanggap yung award na ito. Maraming salamat. And lastly, of course, I'd like to thank my whole family. My family from Canada, they're here. The Pantaleon High. And of course, lastly, I'd like to thank my SOP family for always welcoming me here and for letting me promote my album. Thank you, everybody. And again, to my father, my mother, my sisters, and my brother, this is for you and God. Thank you.
Regine, hindi pa tapos ang surpresa para hindi pa tapos ang tatawagan pa natin. Chico and Delavan, meron pa silang award din para sa iyo.
Hindi alam na bibigay na si award din para kasi pala
because Regine Velasquez is the female artist of the year. So Monster Radio RX 93.1. Again, this is because of our Countdown Top 7. Because you stayed the phone call, you ended up as the female artist of the year. And congratulations in behalf of Monster Radio RX 93.1.
Yan, pagkakalamatan ko rin lahat ng mga radio stations na talagang patuloy na sumusuporta sa musikang Pilipino, especially sa mga albums ko at mga projects. RX, of course, Monster Radio for this award. Thank you for your support. And sa lahat ng mga bumoto, yung ka na rin. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Viva Records. Magbabalik na po ang noontime show.